What is a Honda certified used vehicle? Simply put, they are the top vehicles of the Honda used car family, a distinction earned by passing a strict set of criteria. Honda vehicles already have a strong reputation for quality and reliability. The certified program goes several steps further to maintain these virtues as we look to deliver the best used Honda vehicles. Let's break it down into 3 segments to understand the process better: the past, the present, and the future, and how the Honda Certified program brings them all together to offer you an exceptional used vehicle. As all used vehicles have a unique history, the first step is to look into it to ensure it's a good candidate for the certified program. This includes a car-proof vehicle history report to help ensure the vehicle was in no major accidents. We also check for available service history report to help ensure the vehicle was well maintained. The next step is to determine its present condition. For this, our Honda factory-trained technicians conduct a bumper-to-bumper 100-point mechanical and appearance inspection. Any issue identified is repaired or requisite parts replaced using only Honda genuine parts to help ensure it's only of the finest quality. We then ensure all the servicing is up to date to help provide a near-new feel to the vehicle. And then, for additional peace of mind, to cover for possible future concerns, Honda Certified Vehicles extends the original factory powertrain warranty by 2 years and 60,000 kilometers, bringing it up to 7 years, 160,000 kilometers from the original in-service date. And for those of you that suffer from second thoughts, we offer a 7-day, 1,000-kilometer, no-hassle exchange policy in case you decide it's not the right fit for you. The Honda Certified Used Vehicles. It's your time.